What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's take a close look at the meals that you can expect to get with Tovala.
All right, so the first one we're going to try is the Italian herb chicken breast. Takes 20 minutes. Ooh, cheesy tomatoes and green beans. Let's get on it. Tomato sauce gets stirred into these green beans here, and these herbs get sprinkled onto this marinated chicken breast. In the Smart Oven, and scan, and start. And here's the final product, Italian herb chicken breast, right there. Looks good, smells good. Tomato sauce and cheese all mixed together on the green beans. Everything looks cooked to perfection, as it always is. So, tasty. All right, there's one meal. Let's check out some more. All right, time to check out another meal. This is chorizo tacos, and I'm assuming that these flour tortillas that come with the package are for this. Only 17 minutes, corn salsa, sour cream, beans, and rice. Let's get it unpacked. Okay, first of all, this is gonna be my first time ever doing rice in the oven here, and as you can see, it definitely needs to be kind of cooked and hydrated up. So I'm really kind of curious about that one. We don't do any prep on this. All this stuff, I guess, is post-cooking. So let's get these suckers in. All right, in the oven. Scan. 17.5 minutes, ready to rock. All right, so the chorizo tacos are done, and the one biggest question I had was, how is this rice gonna come out? And it's pretty amazing, the beans and the rice. I mean, it's just like freshly made rice. It's nice and plump and easy to eat. There's nothing al dente or crunchy about it, so that is great, the beans. And then look at these tacos. You make the taco meat, you heat up the tortillas in the oven for 15 seconds or so afterwards, and then you add the sour cream, cheese, corn. Man, they are good. I'll tell you what, took a little bit of that chorizo. It's got a little bite to it, but it's not overly spicy. Really, really tasty. Another good meal, and this one is well portioned for the hungry eater. All right, we'll try out more. Another Tovala meal here. I never pronounce that right. Tovala? I think, hey, this is the Southwest rub roasted chicken. 20 minutes with corn and poblano chowder. Can't wait to check this out. Okay, here's the chicken breast, and I think it's marinated, and then the chowder pieces. So what we have to do is we have to take the spices here, and then we sprinkle the Southwestern spice rub all over the marinated chicken breast. And then we take the creamy vegetable stock and we pour that into the chowder and stir it up before we put these in the oven. And there they go in the oven. Scan. Boom. 20 minutes. Off to the races. All right. This one looks so pretty. I actually thought you were gonna put the chowder in a bowl and then the chicken on the plate, but it says to stack them like this. So if you check out this chowder, man, I already took a little bite. I'm gonna take another. Delicious. It really reduces down to kind of less of a chowder and more of a, I don't know, a stew or something, but delicious. I actually sprinkled the parmesan on top there too. And the spice on top of this chicken is delish, and it is so moist and flavorful. I'm impressed with it. It's a hearty little winter meal. Hey, we'll check out some more. All right, how about Indian style chicken curry? All right, we have all the constituents here, and we have some brown rice, and then we also have the base of the chicken curry, which we have to actually pour this vegetable stock on top of it, just like that. No, it doesn't get any easier to prep something. And then, you know, I'm always impressed that this can steam the rice back to kind of edible state. But then we're gonna cook this up, add this stuff. I think all this actually goes together, so the chicken goes on top of the rice once we get it all cooked. Let's get her done. All right, ready to rock here. Scan. Boom, 19 minutes till we're fed. All right, here it is. I added them together per the instructions, and a little bit of creamy sweetness, or just a creamy richness, I believe, if you want to add the cream. And then we got some chutney for some sweetness. Ooh, it's pretty thick. So I'm gonna drizzle. Ooh, Man, got a little bit of that on there. Mix that up, but you know what? I'm not a huge curry guy, but this smells great. And it's just not drenched in curry like some of the other ones, which are kind of like a curry soup. So give it a little try here. Oh man. That's good. It's another winner by Tovala. Hey, let's try some more. And another Tovala meal, a traditional chicken parmesan with fingerling potatoes, the salsa verde drizzle. All right, so that's what we get, a chicken breast and the potatoes. And the first thing we need to do is apparently take this marinara and spread it over the chicken breast itself, which makes some sense. I've never actually made chicken parmesan, depending on how you pronounce it before. So this is my first time, and if this is what it takes, it seems like it's pretty easy. I probably should have done it years ago. And then they have mozzarella and Parmesan cheese grated and shredded in here. So then we just sprinkle that on there, and looks like that marinara is going to hold it in place. Just give us a nice little cheesy crust. All right, now this thing goes into the Smart Oven. Card. 20 minutes till our Italian dinner. Well, I could start my own Italian restaurant. Parmesan chicken right there. Smells amazing. And if we just cut into it here, look at that. Fresh melted cheese on there. Delicious chicken. These fingerling potatoes, I actually poured the Italian salsa verde over them. It said to kind of mix it in, but man, those look good too. And hot. Oh, but that is tasty. Man, the Smart Oven is awesome. Let's try out some more meals. And now we're gonna check out sweet soy balsamic steak stir fry. Peter can cook. All right, here's everything comes with. Rice, which I'm always amazed that it works. The stir fry itself, and then we have the tamari balsamic sauce, 2 ounces of this, and so we pour this over our veggies and stir fry. And then I think that's it. We're ready to cook it. All right, in the oven, scan, man, and push the button. I am a chef. All right, all done. Put the rice on the plate, then the stir fry on top of it. I added a little bit of that extra sauce that they give you in some of these chow mein noodles, and you can see it looks good. I mean, it smells great, and I thought I would take a little bite here. Looks like we got some beef in here too, man. Hot. That is sweet, tender, and delicious. It's like I cooked it myself. I kind of did. All right, let's try some more. All right, so on to the sweet barbecue pork tacos. Cabbage, slaw, and crispy onions. And I'm assuming these tortillas are for it. All right, so here it is. And we take this sweet barbecue sauce and apparently pour it all over the pork that has the corn and looks like onions in there too. All right, get her in the oven. All right, it's in. And now I do a little cooking here, just like Gordon Ramsay. I am a true chef. Let's see how this turns out. So, all right, here it is, all plated up. Sweet barbecue pork tacos. You can see they come with the tortillas. You heat them up for just 15 seconds. I've got the pork with the corn on there, but then I've also added the crispy onions that they include, and then the vinaigrette goes over the coleslaw there. You can certainly put that in a separate dish, but man, that's a lot of food. So if you're thinking, you know, I'm not sure how much is going to be, you know, in a particular portion, this one is probably one of the more generous ones. And I was just kind of noshing a little bit on it as I was putting it together, and everything tastes good. In fact, this little vinaigrette dressing is the bomb, and the pork is absolutely delish. So if you want to actually do real cooking at your house without any of the effort, Tovala is a great solution that gives you meals fresh out of the oven that you don't spend any time on because they are all smart meals cooked in a smart oven. But really, really good. Now, hey, if you want to pick this up and give it a shot for yourself, I will put a link to Tovala in the description below. Just be aware, if you use it, I think you'll get a discount on your meals, but then I think I will get a discount on mine as well. So it's a win-win for both of us. Peter Von Panda with my Tovala. Out.